Hello everyone, welcome back to Business Sharing channel. Today I have a very special video which talks about question tag or tag question. Have you ever studied about it? What is question tags and how to use it? So let's learn together in this video. In a tag question, the speakers take a statement but is not completely certain of the truth. So he or she uses a tag question to verify the previous statement. Look at the example. You are thirsty. You are thirsty, and you? So the speaker already know the answer but use these question tags to verify the listener thirsty or not. Sentences using tag questions should have the main clause separated from the tag by a comma. Look at the same example. You are thirsty. It is the main clause and the question tag here separated by a comma. A sentence will always end with a question mark. So remember that every question tag must have question mark at the end. Observe the following rules. So please go to see the rules. How many rules and which rules that we have to follow in order to use question tag correctly. Let's go. Rule number 1. Use the same auxiliary verb as in the main clause. Okay, look at the example. You have just finished your work, haven't you? So auxiliary verb here is the word have, and we have to use in the tag question with the word have either. If there is no auxiliary verb, use do, does or did. If there is no auxiliary verb, use do, does or did. Okay, example. You like ice cream, don't you? The main clause there doesn't have the auxiliary verb, so in tag question we have to use do, does or did instead. Rule number 2. If the main clause is negative, the tag is affirmative. If the main clause is affirmative, the tag is negative. Actually, look at the same example. You like ice cream. The main clause is positive, affirmative, and the tag must be a negative. Rule number 3. Don't change the tense. We must not change the tense in the question tag. You like ice cream is a simple present, and the tag question is the simple present too. Rule number 4. Use the same subject in the main clause and the tag. The tag must always contain the subject form of the pronouns. So we must not change the subject. We have to use the same subject in both the main clause and question tag. Look at here, you and you. Rule number 5. Negative forms are usually contracted. If they are not, they follow the order auxiliary plus subject plus not. Generally, a tag question always use the contracted in the negative form. But if we do not want to use like that, it's okay, but you have to follow the order auxiliary plus subject plus not. Here is the example. He saw this yesterday. Did he not? Yeah. So this is auxiliary verb, subject he and not. Okay, it is the same example. You can say he saw her yesterday, did not he? So it's the wrong one because it's not the order, the auxiliary plus subject plus not. It auxiliary not and subject is wrong. But you can say he saw her yesterday, didn't he? But in a contracted negative, we can use it. Okay. Rule number 6. There is, there are, and it is forms contain a pseudo subject, so the text will also contain there or it as if it were a subject pronoun. Okay, that's all in this video, and I hope this video can help you to improve your knowledge, your ability of the grammar. Okay, thank you very much for your watching, and I hope you press subscribe to get more video, and thank you again. Goodbye.